Sorry, I need to record our class just for today. Ah, can you answer this?
6, 7, and 7 over 13.
Okay, so do you think you can still make this number small?
No.
Not anymore. Very good. So this is your final answer. Okay, so how about number 4?
So 2,
Mhm.
13 plus 18, 31 over 19.
Okay, and then
So 31, 31 divided by 19 is 1. So 31 minus 19, 12. So 1 remainder 12.
mhm,
So 3 and 12 over 19.
very good. Wow, this is becoming easy for you now. Okay, so next, let's do number 8. Can you do number 8?
11 plus 70, 7, sorry, 7, 7 is 18. So
Mhm.
18 over 16.
Okay.
So 18 divided by 16 is 1.
Hmm?
1. 18 minus 16 is 2. So 1 and 2 over 16.
1 and 2 over
16.
16. Okay, can you make this number smaller?
I guess no.
Yes, you can. Okay, so you're going to start again with the smallest number to divide it. That means you're going to divide it with 2 and you should have an exact number. So what is 2 divided by 2?
2 divided by 2 is 1.
Okay, and then
And
16 divided by
10
2?
divided by 2 is 5.
No, 16. This is 16.
Ay, sorry po. 16 divided by 2 is 8.
8. Okay, what is your final answer?
1, 1 and 1 over 8.
Very good. 1 and 1 over 8. Okay, so wow, you're almost done with your worksheet. Okay, so let's do number 9, an easy one, a little bit. Number 9.
7, 2, 7 and 2 and 2.
Mhm.
So 2 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So 2 minus 2 is 0.
Okay, and then
So 8 and 2 over 2.
what is 2 over 2?
1 over 2.
1. 2 over 2 equals to?
1.
1.
1.
Next, what is 1 plus 7?
8.
8. What is your final answer?
8 and 2
8
over.
only.
Sorry.
Yes,
Sorry.
because 2 over 2 is already equals to 1. So you just added 7. Right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So don't be confused with that. Let's try to answer number 5.
Hmm. 3. No. 1, 3, 5.
Okay. Is this the final answer?
Yeah. Yes.
It is. Okay. Next, number
Wait lang po.
11. Hmm?
Wait lang po. Wait
Okay.
lang po. Excuse me po. Wait lang po.
Okay.
Okay, nandito na po.
Okay.
So,
Start.
ay. So, 13.
Mm-hmm.
13 plus 17 is 30 over 20.
What's the answer?
So, 30 divided by 20 is 1.
Mm-hmm.
1. So, 20. Ay, nasa sa loob po, di ba palagi yung nasa taas?
Yes.
So, 30 minus 20 is 10. So, 1 and 10 over 20.
1 and 10 over 20. Very good. Now, can you make this 10 over 20 smaller?
I guess hindi na po kasi.
Yes, it is. These are two big numbers. How are you going to divide it?
Smaller mo po muna.
Okay, so let's start with what number?
2.
2. Very good. Okay, next. What is 10 divided by 2?
5.
5. Very good. And then?
10.
20 divided by 2 is?
Yeah, 10.
10. Okay.
10 po.
10. Okay. So now I think you can still make this a smaller number. What do you think?
Yeah. Smaller na po kasi yung ano 5.
But 10 is not smaller. I think you can divide it with 5. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So what is 5 divided by 5?
1.
1. What is 10 divided by 5?
2.
2. So this will be your final answer already. Okay, so remember, if the numbers have the same divisibility, that means you can make it smaller. For example, 10 and 20. You can reach 20 by doing skip counting of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40. Also with 5 and 10. Okay, Clarette?
Okay po.
Remember how you always have to do this with fractions. So that's why you have to master it. Number 12.
Number 12. 8 and 12
8 and 12.
over
So you
12.
Okay, very good. You can still make this into a smaller number.
I I guess.
Yes,
Yeah.
you can. You're going to divide it with what?
2. Smaller po muna.
Okay,
Back
smaller
to
muna. 2. Okay, what is 8 divided by 2?
4.
4. What is 12 divided by 2?
6.
6. Okay, so you can still make this a smaller number.
I get. Yeah, no.
Yes, you can. These are even numbers. Divide it with 2. The answer here is 2 over 3. Actually, Clarette, you can also choose a smaller number if you don't want to do it again and again. You just have to divide it with a bigger number. For example, 4. What is 8 divided by 4? What is
2.
8 divided 2? Okay, what is 12 divided by 4?
3.
3. So you will get the same answer. Okay, so don't always think about 2. If you can make it bigger, make it bigger. But you're going to start thinking with a smaller number. Like for example, 2. Can I divide it with 2? If yes, then ask again, can I divide it with 4? Oh, 6, 8, 10, like that. Okay, Clarette?
Okay po.
Okay, so let's try again. Number 10. Number 10.
Okay po. Wait. 5. 7. And 7.
Very good. What's your final answer?
7 divided by 7 is 1. So 7 minus 7 is 0. So 5 and 1 over 7.
No more fraction. You already have this as whole number. This is already
So
1.
so 6 over 7 and 7 over 7
What is 5 plus 1?
is 6. So 6
This is your
of
final
uh,
answer.
uh,
Okay, it's also the same as 9 and 3. You keep forgetting. Okay, so number 13. Number 13.
6, 3, 4.
3 over 4. So is this your final answer?
Yeah.
Yes. It is. So
Yes.
remember, again, if the numbers are consecutive, for example, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 7, 8, like that, then it's already the smallest number. Okay, next, number 14.
Uh, 23 over 35.
Okay, 23 over 35. So what's the answer here?
Um, ano po tayo?
You're going to divide it. It's a proper
Divide.
fraction, yes.
Oh. Divided by,
Ay, smaller na
3.
pala to, smaller. 3.
3. I guess I will go to smaller po muna.
Okay. That means 2, right?
Opo.
Okay.
2 divided by 23 is
Is
11.
no, that's 24. Oh, that means 2 cannot be.
Yeah. So 4.
4. If it cannot be divided by into, that means no more in even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, no more. This is actually your final answer na. Because this is multiples of 5 only. And you cannot get 23 in any of the multiples of 5. Okay, did you understand?
Okay po.
Yes, okay. So that is quite confusing, isn't it? Okay, so let's try something bigger numbers. Okay, let's do number 4.
For
Number 4. Oh, what's the answer for number 4?
15.
15 and
15 and 31 over 20.
okay, 31 over 20. This is an improper fraction. That means you're going to divide it. What is 31 divided by 20?
Um, 20 divided by 30, 31 is 1.
1.
So 11 remainder. Ah, no. 1 remainder 11.
Remainder
11 po.
11. Okay. So what is your mixed number for this fraction? 1.
16
Okay, 16.
and 11 over 20.
Very good. 16 and 11 over 20. Oh, you can do mental for this. That's good. Okay, number 8.
Oh, shucks.
You can do it.
9
9.
and 29 over 25.
Okay, 29 over 25. This is again an improper fraction. So you need to make it into a mixed number and then plus 9 so that you can get your final answer.
So, ano po, 29 divided by 25 is 1.
Mhm.
1 and 29 minus 25 is 4. So 1 remainder 4. So 10 and 4 over 25.
Very good. 10 and 4 over 25. This is already your smallest number. Okay, so are you doing mental math?
No, I have my ano po dito.
I thought
My
you're doing it on mental only. Okay, so let's do number 7. Wait, let's do number 5 instead. Oh, this is very easy.
So baka gawin ko na po to mental kasi
Yes.
madali lang po. So
Yes.
7 and 2 over 2.
Mm.
So 2 divided by 2 is 1. So 2 minus 2 is 0. So 7 and 1 over 2.
No. Oh, you're forgetting something again. What is 2 over 2?
1.
Oh, what is 7 plus 1?
So no, my answer is 8.
Very good. This is the final answer. Okay, so that ends our class for today, Clarette. So I think you have mastered it already. So next time we're going to do subtraction. So you did great today. Do you have any more questions?
Well,
No. Okay, so if no more questions, see you again tomorrow. Bye, Clarette.
bye-bye po.
Bye.